Hey, this is Dave Townsend with RE/MAX Results, and I wanted to tell you we have a new home in Oakville. It's a beautiful ranch, very spacious, open floor plan. It's a home that you are definitely going to want to see. And if you don't need a home, share this with somebody that may. Thank you for watching our short video.